Hakara Kriya. This activating practice combines the use of movement with sound to give vent to pent-up emotional and mental stress by way of an effective release. It is also a good yoga warm-up. Stand in the Samastiti Asana with your arms by your side. Breathe in and at the same time jump with your legs apart while clapping your hands over your head. Breathe out and make the explosive sound ha while jumping back to the standing position with your feet together and hands by the side. Do this action 6 to 9 times in a vigorous manner. Hakara is the production of the ha sound that is related to the solar plexus. This plexus of nerves at the top of the abdomen is one of the centers where stress tends to accumulate. The strengthening of this area prevents the butterflies in the stomach feeling that occurs whenever we are stressed out. After completing the practice, relax back in the Samastiti Asana and perform deep and controlled breathing for a few minutes. Enjoy the rejuvenating feeling as the energetic circulation of fresh blood rushes throughout your entire body.